Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome back. And after a very long time, I'm back and I will be on a very daily basis uploading the videos from now on again. And today is April 1st. There is no April Fool because every one of you over here is not a fool because you're watching this video and you are taking the next step to be successful in life. So let's begin the technical analysis for today, that's April 1st 2019. So today SGX Nifty is showing 47.5 points up move at the level of 11,723. Remember, 11,760 is the highest which Indian market has scaled. If this is the level what SGX Nifty is showing, probably we may kiss the level of 11,760 in today's session in Indian markets. See, the US markets have done pretty great for itself on Friday. 211 points up on DowJones, 60 points up on Nasdaq, and 18 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green to greatly in positive in today's pre-open and open session. Let's look at Indian markets, what Indian markets has to offer in today's session. Let's see what fast stochastic is showing. Fast stochastic is denoting a level of 91, which means it is in a overbought zone again. And slow stochastic is at a level of 84. However, 84 is not an overbought zone. However, it is not yet in a overbought zone, but it is showing that we will be in a overbought zone very soon and the market has to fall. And let us see the levels of MACD. MACD is at level of 172, whereas the exponential is at 156. So there was a small downturn in MACD because of the market going a helter-skelter down from the level of 11,600 levels to the level of 11,384. It took support over there and afterwards came up, and now it is at the level of 11,624 levels. So that's the reason MACD had come down a bit. However, MACD is still in positive. It is kicking, it is live, it is going up and up and up. That's what MACD is suggesting. Now Indian markets have very hard supports around the level of 11,267, 11,487 levels, and the levels of 11,400 is a very strong support, and the level of 11,344 is a very strong support for the markets as of now. If the market is about to collapse, the level of 11,500 also will act as a support for the Indian markets in the very near future. So what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The resistances are not much. We have to only care about few resistances. Now the level of 11,696 is a very strong resistance, which is 11,700 levels, and above that 11,720, 11,732, and above that 11,760, which is the highest Indian markets has scaled. Those are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's session. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge and more, I will be teaching you how to make about 3 to 15% on a monthly basis and beat the FD returns very easily by trading just 15 minutes this weekend. So click on the first link in the description below. You will be taught 5 strategies which makes you money in any kind of market. If it is an upturn, if it is a downturn, if the market is going nowhere at all, if the market has very high volatility, very low volatility, you will make money for almost sure 97% of the times we will make the money for sure about 3 to 15% per month. This is what the hedge funds use. This is what the big companies of mutual funds use. These are the strategies which I'll be teaching. If you want to beat the FD returns and just trade for 15 minutes per day and still make a very decent profit, this is the course for you guys. Click on the first link in the description below. I will be taking a session in 91 Springboards Residency Road, and you will be taught 5 strategies which makes you money monthly. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.